Now in the 8th one it says 3 cards are being drawn successively. तो इसका मतलब n तो हमारा हो गया 3. Well shuffled deck है हमारे पास, that's 52 cards. Find the mean and variance of the number of red cards drawn. तो सबसे पहले हमें निकालना होगा success of getting a red card. P की value which is 26 out of 52. तो 26 और 52 को डिवाइड करोगे you would get half. Q की भी वैल्यू हमारी निकल आएगी, that's 1 minus P and 1 minus half would be half in this case. Q की वैल्यू आ गई हमारे पास. N in this case would be 3. अब हमने निकालना क्या, we have to find out the mean. Mean कैसे निकलेगा हमारा, N should get multiplied with P. So that's 3 into half. So 3/2 हो जाएगा हमारा. वेरिएंस की वैल्यू हमें फाइंड आउट करनी है, तो वेरिएंस की वैल्यू कैसे निकलेगी, N into P into Q is there. That's 3 into half into Q. That's half value. So 3/4 हो जाएगा वेरिएंस हमारा. So I could understand that the mean of this question would be 3/2 and the variance would be 3/4.